Hello guys, welcome back once again. Today I'm gonna show you this electronic price computing scale. It measures the weight of anything up to 30 kg, and it's especially imported by Air SS International Eatery at Sunsari, Nepal. That means another city of our country, near of our city. Uh, it's quite heavy and it's especially produced in China. Let's open it. Let's okay. This is for weightlifting bucket. This is rechargeable. If there is no supply of electricity, then you can use this. Maybe, I don't know, here is operating menu. You can use 180 hours. This is charging cable and adapter. This is for charging, and this on off. The company has given a warranty of 1 year, and you can see this here. This is the certificate from our government. That means government of Nepal. Here is written नेपाल सरकार गुणस्तर तथा नापतोल क्षेत्रीय कार्यालय विराटनगर. Whenever we sell this product, we must register. That means we must register in government office so that you can sell it. Otherwise, that means it will be confirmed that whether it is accurate or not. If the machine or any scaling machine is not accurate, then it will affect the customer. So let's start. Turn on the power. It's completely digital with a red light. It has a memory up to 7. Then you can keep memorize in any price level. So this is price, this is weight, and the total, the rate of price. That means so what is the rate of anything you're gonna sell. So suppose this is the adapter. If the 1 kg of adapter is 230 rupees, then first turn it off and turn it on and make it 230. So then put it. How much is this? Is 62 gram. Then what is the price of this adapter? Is 14.30. That means that is the price. So actually it is very easy to use and not so expensive too, because and it is very good for using whenever there is power, what to say, load setting. According to our country, there is a lots of load setting in our country, so that when there is a supply of electricity, you can put in charge, and after charging you can use for a long time. So whenever you are not using it, you should switch off. Then when you want to use it, switch on easily. It's simple. Here are given other options, so you can use it. So it's very good. There is a pack also. This line for customer who can see here their price, their weight, what they are buying, and this is for you. That means you are shopkeeper, and this for customer. So it is very easy to use and very lightweight also.
And I found this inside the box.
So
Stickers.
thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel so that you can watch my videos in the future. But do not forget to hit the bell button so that the notification of my video will be in your device. See you on the next video. Till then, have a nice day. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.
Stop it!
Okay, GoPro, stop recording.